MS Kim Sarikota Langkawi. Your ghost of China has mo money seeking human high price, do not like condom, low education. Old clothes cost COVID and viruses of their cross and the history of slaves smell like urination. Dr. K of USA Los Angeles. I am a researcher, no matter what you have in the Hokkien temple, you must not put Tiger God beneath the dolls. Tiger is symbol of Malay Queen patrons. Your car will break down. Exceptional. The room was so clean for a one-star hotel. Exciting. Room plus washroom were really clean. Location is good, quiet near with jetty. Staff was really helpful and cooperative. Allow extra time for checkout. Huge car park inside facility available. Very clean for a one-star and a motel to say the least. The rooms are very clean and conveniently near a shopping complex. Had a very comfortable stay. Value for money. For a long stay, this place is good because it's in the city and every kind of facilities available to near your residence, so just grab it, and staff is so friendly. Superb cheap value for money. Clean good in everything. Nice staff. You should try. Terbag. Stay nice Jali, Muradian Sergeant DKTDG and Hig Complex, Kadai MKNMLM, Pkin Lamakwa, Kadai Sarapantki. Good. Great place and affordable price. Very near to Pekin Quad shopping and looking for a stall. But this place don't have a lift. I stay at 4th floor. Not recommended for those carry on a heavy and big luggage. Exceptional great value hotel, good location, very clean, great Wi-Fi, hot/cold water dispenser, would stay again. Everything was good. Very clean and everything is perfect. All-star. Value for money, strategic place. Just walk to Hig Complex because it is located opposite the property. Very clean hygiene, very friendly staff and amenities such as more iron and pillows are upon request. Overall, I'm very satisfied. Choice that I'd never regrets. Value for money. Great. The hotel stay was enjoyable and I would recommend this hotel for everyone including families. Nice hotel, nice stay, comfortable, near Pekin Kwan Shopping Complex Hig. Value for money.